Hi, welcome back to my channel. The markets have closed Friday 23rd August है आज and we have three new entries in our indices. Before we go there, let's look at the main indices. They were largely flat and कल का FIIs का हम देखेंगे तो they bought surprisingly and DIIs continue to buy. So combined FIIs DIIs का 4,000 crores का buying आया है which is good. आज फ्लैट था तो आज लेकिन तीन इंडाइसेस ने अच्छा किया है. ऑटो इंडिया मैन्युफैक्चरिंग विच आई डिडंट नो वाज एन इंडेक्स एंड 100 लिक्विड 15. सो लेट्स डाइव इनटू दिस. निफ्टी ऑटो में जब मैंने देखा तो इट्स अप 1% टुडे विच इज़ गुड. ऑब्वियसली इंटरेस्ट रेट सेंसिटिव अच्छा करेंगे ऐसे अंडरस्टैंडिंग था आज डिपेंडिंग ऑन हाउ द यूएस मार्केट इज डन. तो इसमें पूरा लिस्ट मैंने देखा बट दी ओनली one I didn't find any one which is good. The only one that I hold is Tata Motors, which I intend to sell pretty soon because I don't think the growth from here will be that explosive. So अगर आप देखोगे इसका सेल्स ग्रोथ स्लो हो गया है काफ़ी कंसिडरेबली. प्रॉफिट ग्रोथ स्टिल मेंटेन्ड है एंड पी इज़ रीजनेबल एट 8 बट आई डोंट थिंक सेल्स इतना अच्छा है जितना मुझे लगता है होना चाहिए एक कंपनी का. तो और अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ ढूंढूंगा मैं. सो आई विल बी सेलिंग दिस ऑफ. So this was one which was the best in the autos. The companies are good, but the valuations are already too high, so didn't find them worth buying. Then the second index was the Nifty India Manufacturing Index, which I didn't know about. It was just up 0.29, तो auto में ही ज़्यादा buying थी आज. I'm assuming because of the interest rate cuts that are expected. और इसमें भी आप देखोगे तो ओनली थिंग दैट स्टैंड्स आउट इज टाटा मोटर्स विच आई ऑलरेडी हैव. सो यू गाइस कैन हैव अ लुक एट इट एज वेल बट नथिंग स्पेशल इन दिस इंडेक्स एज वेल. एंड द लास्ट वन इज द लिक्विड 15 विच वॉज ऑल्सो अप वेरी स्लाइटली. बट इसमें एक इंटरेस्टिंग बेट मुझे दिखा है विच वी हैड कवर्ड अ फ्यू डेज अर्लियर एज वेल. तो इसमें टाटा मोटर्स है एंड बजाज फाइनेंस है और श्रीराम फाइनेंस है. बजाज फाइनेंस ऑल्सो आई होल्ड दैट्स व्हाई इट्स मार्क्ड हियर which I intend to dispose of soon. So based on the rise, इधर भी आप देखोगे although it's performing consistently but इसका earnings are affected and the PE ratio is already 28 which is high compared to the growth that it is showing in the last 2 quarters in EPS, right? So for me it's not that attractive, so I will be disposing this off along with Tata Motors and a few others which I hold in my portfolio which are not that attractive at the moment. And the last one and my favorite for today is Shriram Finance, which we saw a few days ago as well, which is I seeing some buying interest emerging, and the reason is because it's very consistent. You can see there's just one quarter where the EPS was lower, that was in March 23, and 16 to 18% growth है और उसका PE is a reasonable 15. So I'll prefer to bet on Shriram Finance rather than the others. And yeah, you can talk to your financial advisor and see what he says about it and take a decision accordingly. That's it for today. We'll try and analyze something else over the weekend and share. अभी के लिए इतना ही. Thank you. Have a nice day and a nice weekend. Bye bye.